Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to learn how to design a birthday flyer. It's going to be nice and simple, and we're not going to keep much time on it. So guys, without much ado, let's zoom into it. So let's first create a new project. So I'll just click on the new, and then the size you're going to use 5 by 6 inches, and we're going to select landscape orientation. So I just create it. Good. So this flyer we're going to design it basically as a birthday flyer for one of my friends. So I have his picture there and everything that we're going to use. So first of all, let's take the first thing we're going to do. But then first, guys, let me show you how the whole final thing looks like, so that you guys will know what we are doing. So we have this one. This is what we are going to do basically. Good. So this is the flyer I made for my friend, and we're going to just repeat it within a matter of like 15 minutes. See how we all did it. Okay, so let's do it. So first of all, let's use the pen tool to just do our design here. So you just click here and just click here. This one doesn't really matter how you want to make it, but any way you make it, it should be able to just look like what we want to do. And you can just click over it, and so after that you right click on it, select on the make selection, you click OK to make a selection. After that you go to this tab where you click to create a solid color out of it. So I'll make a yellow one, a yellow color. So let's use the yellow color first. Yellow first. Good. After the yellow, you duplicate the layer. So after duplicating it, the one beneath it, you select red. Alright, so I selected red, a darker red, of course will do. And then use the move tool to just move the one on top a little bit up, so that it just feel like it is on top of it. Yeah, something like this is okay. And after that, we're going to use the ellipse tool. Click here to just get the ellipse tool. Make a circle. Put your hands on the shift so that you get an even circle. If I remove my hand, you see that the circle can just be anywhere. But then if you want the perfect ellipse, just right click and then something like that. Now the inside of it, we're going to just click the fill to be empty, and then the stroke to be of a white color, and I'll just do something like probably 12 pixels is too big, but then 4 could do, and then change this thing to the delta stroke. Yeah, so something like this is good. After that, we're going to put my friend's picture inside. So we just have to make an ellipse where we're going to put the picture inside. So I'll make something as big as this one. Yeah, so this one is there. Yeah, and what happened is that I'm going to duplicate this layer twice. Good. So the second one, the ones beneath that. So let's pick the first one. I'll make it big a little bit, and then in the fill I'll make it empty. Make the fill empty, and then make the stroke black. So let's go for a stroke of black, and this time around the size I'll make it 4 pixels for that particular side too. So 4 pixels will do, so that we get something like this. I hope we get it. So you do the same for the other one, which I'll just increase like this here, and then inside the stroke I'll make empty, and then that one I will choose a red color, and let's go for also 4 pixels. Okay, so something like this is okay. Now let me quickly show you guys something. I'm going to put my friend's picture inside this particular ellipse that we have just designed, and what I will do is that there are some dotted lines I just did, round circles that I just did for shapes, just to make it a little bit nicer. So let's just put some of them here. Just a random circle, a red one and a yellow one will do, just to match with the design that we are doing. Yeah, so this one could be yellow color, yellow. Yeah, so there we have it. And then we can probably draw another one beneath it, or just duplicate it just to get one. Well, I want to just try this one. Yeah, so somewhere here is also good. Now, to make things easier for us, let me just go drag my friend's picture, come and then place it here. So let me see, where did I keep the picture? This is the picture of my friend, so I'll drop it here. Now, it was simple. Just use the ellipse tool. This is the main circle we're going to put the image in. So you just place it on top of it. After placing it on top of it, right click on it and then click on the create clipping mask, and then it will just drop the picture inside. Good. So if you look at the image I showed carefully, you're going to use one of this same picture as a background for this particular one. So what I'll do is that I'll drag it over and drop it on this plus sign to just duplicate the layer. After doing that, I'll just bring it, make it a little bit big to just cover the space I've just made. Good, something like this. And then rather, because it's going to be a background, I'll rather bring it just down of my design, just before the background. Yes, and then reduce the opacity to somewhere, maybe, let's see, well, yeah, 25 will do. Yeah, I think 25 is not bad. Yeah, there is a space here which I'll just duplicate this one to just cover the space. So what I'll just do is I'll just duplicate it to just cover that space. Good. And so I think our design is getting perfect. Let's see. Well, okay, so the date for the birthday is actually today, which let's use so 09.08.22, which will represent the date. Good. So guys, and then the name is actually Asante. So let me just type the name Asante. Sorry, MP Asante rather. MP Asante, and then down it is Maxwell. Good. So I'm going to use this particular font style. Look at it carefully. Is like airstrike outline, which I'll use and make it bigger. Yeah. And what I'll do is that I will increase this one, the down one, to just match with this one, and also the space between them I'll reduce it a little. So let's see that good. Yeah, so this is how I did it. So of course there were the title that was part, which is the CEO of Max Media. So let me just write that one, CEO Max Media. So let's increase the size a little bit, and that one I'm going to use Neza Bold as my particular font style. Okay, so for that one, so there will be the need for us to just write the text that is there, which is the birthday particular wish we have. So what I did is that I'm not going to really waste time typing everything. I actually copied everything. Birthday wish for a friend. I just typed birthday wish for a friend. Yeah, so let's see. Just pick one random one just to fill the space. So let's see one that has some kind of guys, it looks like this kind of stuff. This place, I'm not really getting what I use, but okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's not waste much time. I don't really want to just waste for friends. Well, let's just search a graphic designer rather for a graphic designer. Yeah, good. So we are going to just happy birthday wish for a graphic designer. Yeah. Good, so let's use this one. I like this one, so just copy, Ctrl plus C to copy, then T text to select the text button and just do Ctrl plus V. I'm going to change the stuff from laser bold to actually laser demo is good. I just hope that, and then let's reduce the size small and then start breaking them with those lines. Just yeah, so wow, this one is quite plenty than I thought. So I'll just reduce the size to make it guys, looks like. So let me just remove this one to just make the test a little bit. Yeah, so that is it. Now the last thing I did was that is the birthday wish test. Yeah, so happy birthday test. You can just search happy birthday test and you search images, you'll get some of the images that have been kind of customized. So I like this one, which I'll just Ctrl plus, I'll just copy the image and then come and then paste it here on top of my design. Of course, it has some kind of white background, which I remove with the letter E. If you can still come and use the eraser tool, the magic eraser tool specifically, and just remove it. Remove those white areas there. Okay, so we can just zoom in a little bit. Just remove those whites. Okay, so guys, this is just going to be how we did it, and then we just put the last item here, which is a horizontal line beneath the whole text, and of course don't forget it's designed by GEKY Media. So guys, you can just contact me anytime you want for your nice graphic design, and if you have any flyer you want us to do in our next video, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section below. And I think that is it. So guys, thank you very much for staying tuned up to this particular time. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and please like this video and share to help somebody learn a skill today. Thank you very much, and see you in our next video.